first runner-up this month. And, naturally, if you guys are listening to the podcast, check it out on YouTube as well, because you can see these posts and these photos on the YouTube clip, but I will, of course, link in the description as well. So, out of Bucks County, PA, it's a really, really nice Bradford White installation here. I was tempted to give them the top spot this month because I just love that diamond plate.
Can I interrupt real quick?
Sure.
Is diamond plate a prerequisite for you in your voting criteria? It seems like you mention it all the time.
It's certainly, I think it really, I like the mirrored element. There's a chromeness to it that really gives it kind of a BA kind of look to the mechanical room itself. I mean, it's sharp. There are other people out there that do stuff like LEDs, and our friend Terrence, who was on last month rather, he's got nice gold stickers that he'll put on stuff, and he'll spray paint stuff gold. So everybody's got their signature move, but the diamond plate is kind of tried and true. And this particular
equipment stand out too, which gives it a little bit more polish, if you will. No pun intended.
Absolutely. Right. Exactly. And it's cool looking, and it fits nicely in the room. If they made that like rivet board, that would look cool too, but the diamond plate works very well. I mean, all the tough guys have that kind of stuff on the back of their pickup truck. They have like the little bed the cabinetry or whatever has that plate on it. It's cool. I like it. And that's why I really did want to mention Larry Shoemaker and Deluxe Plumbing and Heating out of Bethlehem, PA. This is a cool little setup here with this Bradford White. You can see that they've done a great job with all the other stuff that's involved in this job as well. There's Calefi on this, there's Taco products on this stuff. It's a high-end job that came out of an FW Web in Bucks County, PA. These photos came to us through Anthony Rykow, who works there at FW Web. So thanks to everybody involved there. We're going to send some shirts around to all those guys. So now, drum roll please, the winner of this month. And there's some details that even Mr. Mike Sakaris doesn't know yet.
Okay.
The contractors, usually I call and I try to get who the contractor is. And the coolest part of this installation is there is no contractor this time around, right? So I was floored when I heard that. I know you're all confused, right? So I called up Bryce V. He's the account manager at RM Cotton in Minnesota. He was the account manager on this project along with David Sivanovich, who's the technician who helped these guys get this together. Right now, typically you get all your stuff, you get your specs, you get your pipe, you get a mechanical contractor in there to put this together. Not these guys, at the Minnesota Valley Power Co-op out in Minnesota. So basically a utility company. It's just jam-packed with their own engineers. They said, you know what, we're going to install the best, and we're going to do it ourselves. So that's what this is. This is 3 wall-hung Riello boilers. They did the Inaflu intake and the exhaust together. It's all neat. It's all clean. I called up Bryce at RM Cotton. I was like, all right, tell me a little bit more about this stuff. And he couldn't. He's like, they all sourced all the material themselves. They did all the engineering themselves. They did everything themselves. We just provided the pipe to them. I mean, I thought that was pretty fascinating. We don't really typically see that. There's a lot, gas-fired appliances. It's a life safety product. I mean, even contractors sub out the gas work.
At home, unless you're an engineer and follow the directions.
Exactly, right? So the winners this month are the folks at the Minnesota Valley Power Co-op, who did their own engineering and made this beautiful mechanical room themselves. So great job out of them. Great job out of RM Cotton. We love to see this sort of thing. As always, please tag your pictures on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn with Show Us Your Pipe. Tag the mechanical room, tag Centrotherm, and if you don't know what you're doing, consult an engineer before you put in a common vent system. So not everybody can.
When we were looking through these pictures to pick the winner, I did like this one because both the intake and the exhaust were done in polypropylene, which is, a nice touch. The other thing was that and something that I always look at and something that I always recommend to mechanical contractors is make sure you install it properly and you support the product properly. And they did a real nice job. So they followed the directions as a good engineer would. They followed the directions and installed it with the proper support. So hats off to those guys.
Yes, absolutely. So you'll be on the lookout for some ball caps and some Centrotherm t-shirts and stickers and stuff coming your way. So nice work, folks. And that's Show Us Your Pipe for the March episode 3 edition.